morning to one and all. It's my immense pleasure to give a very short note about the information of number system in mathematics. I think everyone know how mathematics can help us to do many things in everyday life. That is, a student must have some basic knowledge about mathematics, whether he or she belongs to arts and science or any other communal basis, and the commerce stream will not only help to secure good marks in the academic studies, but it will also help you to participate in several competitive and aptitude exams. Now we are going to start the session in number system. Basically, what is the definition of number system is given us. A number system is defined as a system of writing to express the numbers. Also, it provides a unique representation of each and every number, and it can be simply represented in the form of some arithmetic and algebraic structures. Here we are going to discuss only about the numbers in the form of arithmetic system alone. Types of number system. First one is natural number system. First one is natural number system. Second one is whole number system. Whole number system. Third one is integers. Fourth one is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Next one is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Followed these aspects, the next important thing is the real number system. Important thing is the real number system, and so on. Real numbers and so on. First, we are going to discuss about the natural number system. Natural numbers includes the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. That is, infinite positive numbers are given in the natural number system. So, natural numbers are nothing but the numbers starts from +1 to plus infinity. This is a set of natural numbers. When the number system includes the number 0 from includes the number starts from 0 up to infinity, can be represented as whole numbers. That is, whole number system is nothing but a number system starts from 0 up to infinity is said to be a whole number system. And then the properties satisfied by the natural number system are sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number, and the product of any two natural number is also gives a natural number. The main thing when we concentrate on studying natural numbers are the natural number system property holds good only for the sum and product of the natural numbers. So the property does not hold good for the operations subtraction and divisions. So can we follow it? The number system is only for the applicable only for the sum and the product of the natural numbers. Example, when we add two numbers is equal to 300, which is also a natural number. That is, the natural number system holds the property for the sum of any two natural number gives once again a natural number. And then the second property holds good for the natural number system is when we divide any two natural number is again a natural number. That is, when we are taking 2 by 3, we are getting the numbers as 0.66 etc. And then another example. Examples of natural number under the division properties are given as 2 by 3 and 1111 divided by 8. These two numbers gives a system of natural numbers again. That is, natural number system follows the property of addition and division. And then the next one is, these are the examples for the natural number system. And then the next one is an integer. Number system includes the third type as integers. This can be represented as Z or J. The set of integers can be represented as Z or J, and it is given as plus or minus 1 to infinity. Plus or minus 1 to infinity. This can also be rewritten as minus infinity to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Set of integers can be written in the form of minus infinity to plus infinity. And the main property holds good for the integer is the additive sum of additive inverse is gives 0 only. Sum of additive inverse gives 0. This is the main property followed in the system of integers. The sum, product and difference of any two integers follows an integer system. And the next number system we are going to follow is the rational numbers. What do you mean by rational numbers? What do you mean by rational numbers? When we divide any two numbers, we are getting the remainder to be 0. May be taken as the rational numbers. Example for rational numbers are, some of the examples of the rational numbers are 827 divided by 100 is equal to 8.27. 8.27. So the decimal form of numbers can also be given as rational numbers. When we are divide any two numbers gives an integer. Mainly integer is nothing but a ratio form. In another name for the integer is a number can be written in the ratio form is said to be an rational number. Other than the rational numbers are said to be irrational numbers. A number other than the rational numbers are called as irrational numbers. The examples for irrational numbers are given as root 2, root 3 and so on. Root 2, root 3 and so on. Can you guess it? What is an irrational number? Yes, the number can be taken from the square root of the values or given as irrational numbers. When a number can be written in the form of ratio, it can be named it as an rational number and it can be followed from the integers. The numbers cannot be a rational number is said to be an irrational number. That is, square root of any of the value can be given as in the form of irrational numbers. Some of the examples are root 2 and root 3, so on. The value of root 2 is 1.4149261, etc. The value of root 2 is given as this one, and the value of root 3 is may also be calculated from the decimal value system. So these are the examples for the irrational number system. So basically, natural number system involves natural number, whole number, integers, rational and irrational. Then what is real number? What is real number? A real number is nothing but the combination of rational and irrational. Combination of rational and irrational. Combination of rational and irrational. It can be written as R. That is, capital R is a set of real numbers which includes the combination of real numbers as well as irrational numbers. That is, rational means we already know that it is a ratio of any two numbers. That is, the divisibility for any two numbers gives the rational number. If we are not following the rational number system, we are getting another number system, that is, name it as the irrational number system. Mainly number system are useful to follow in your competitive and the aptitude exams. Some of the examples for the competitive exams are 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Then what is the next number? I think many of you said that the next number followed is 9. But the options given to you are 9, 11, 13, 16. Can you guess it? Which is the number followed from 7? Many of you click the number 9, but this is the wrong one. You may think it of the beginners of the numbers also. 1, 3, 5, 7 may also be considered as a set of prime numbers. So the next number may be followed as 11. Here 9 is not a prime number. So the next prime number followed from the sequence of numbers as 11. So this is one of the best example for the competitive examiners. So these are the basic aspects in natural as well as the infinite number of systems. When we are not able to follow the problems in terms of number system, next step we are going to follow those set or those collections in the form of variables that can be represented in the algebraic structures. The main follow-up, I started the topic from the number system, as number system is a kind of or it can be representative of algebraic and the arithmetic. Now in this class we are discussing the basic aspects in arithmetic system alone. So when we are not solve the problems in terms of arithmetic system, The next step, we are going to sequence the numbers in the set of variables, and the solution can be obtained as an algebraic structures. So that is the second follow-up in the number system. In the next video, we are going to follow those kind of algebraic structures or what are they. Thank you, students.